Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video of me, Taka75, with this fabulous Gaia Volcano Japanese booster box part 2. So, without further ado, let's just get started. If you have not seen my last previous videos, my background is actually all my plushies that I purchased. You see that nice Rayquaza, Mega Rayquaza shiny, and then other ones that I've collected in my time period. So, let's get started with the first booster box pack and second part. Really hoping to get a shiny. Secret rare, I mean, sorry. So, Metachamp, Infiltrate, Diggersby, Luminese, Combuskin, and my Cargo Infiltrate. Okay, next pack. Purple Pass, Drillbur, Trico, Rhyhorn, and some stadium field with lava around. Sorry if I don't know the name again. Sorry, apologize. Sumimasen. For you guys don't know, sumimasen means sorry or excuse me in Japanese. Okay, bicycle, or called bicycle, I believe that's it. Honage, Trempage, Buffalont, and a Powdown Hollow. That's right. Some Fairy Garden, or some Special Trainer Stadium card. Graval, Rhydon, Electric Infiltrate, and Rhyperior. Next pack. Okay, Excadrill, Meditite, Nidorina, Shroomish, and Burloom. Next pack. Okay, Sceptile, Torchic, Tangela, Vulpix, and a cool Flygon Hollow. Next pack. Red Candy, Nidorina Female, Hippopotas, Zigzagoon. Oh my god. I got my wish! The ultra rare, secret rare, Primal Groudon EX, full art. I am really speechless. It goes perfect because it came from of course it had to come from Gaia Volcano, of course, because that's the only set it comes out from, of course. But yeah, definitely the best pull so far of me opening anything, as far as booster box related. So let's continue with the rest of the box. Ninetales, Stuckma, a Electric, Bunnelby Infiltrate, and a nice Mega Aggron EX. So back-to-back EXs. Next pack. Nidoqueen Infiltrate, Combuskin, Doublade, Torchic Infiltrate, and Blaziken Hollow. Actually, out of all the hollows from both sets, Blaziken will have to be one up there in the Flygon, for sure. Okay, and last pack for this boost box. Okay, Primal Groudon Spirit Link. Then we have this Diggersby, Honage, Solrock, and Maxi. So definitely for sure, the best card of everything is this nice Primal Groudon EX Secret Rare Full Art. Not bad. So thank you guys for watching, and arigatou gozaimasu. 감사합니다. and hope to see you guys very soon. Bye bye, guys.